Oh, it's so dark.
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah. Did you buy extra garlic sauce? Okay. I'll do a couple of transitions. Guys, I'm just capturing the raw.
I was ready to speak.
Come on, just keep. You can't even see the camera.
It feels to me a bit funky.
Do not acknowledge the camera. Yeah, I am a filmmaker, guys. Me when I just mute. That is so funny.
I've got some
Yeah.
book in my hand. There's a book in my hand. It's upside down. It's also
You're reading in your head with it. And
Ah.
you're 7 foot tall.
Oh, I'm very smile. Of course, you must actually.
Oh my god. It's really, really good.
Yeah, let me
It's
try.
like a soft brownie.
What? I would.
You were. You
I'm truly glad that I'm on campus.
Yeah. Literally, it's 8:55. We're such early birds. Can I please have a chai latte? Also, I just realized I forgot to ask for an oat chai latte.
So is it normal milk?
Oh, I have to drink
Can I
normal.
read it now?
Yes.
I'm featuring. I forgot my glasses this morning, which not only does it feel like a huge part of my identity has been lost, but I also can't see. Also, the weather today is kind of weird. Like, it's been so misty lately, and it just feels very like annoying. I just want to be living my sunny autumn girl lifestyle. I should just put like a Gilmore Girls filter over my life and everything will be fine actually. I have work today. I'm going to be filming a video for the uni Instagram. I'm assuming I actually don't really know much about what's going on. I just show up and film what they want me to film. But I'm doing some reading for my 1950s to present module, and that's why I remembered that I don't have my glasses because I can't see. So I'm literally just like, hey, it's so tiny. That's what she said. Don't say that bit. What meeting is it? Because it's like bringing me so much anxiety. Hi, Ultra. Love of my life for real. I meant to be going gym, so I bought a burger because I don't have anything that I've eaten in my system. What am I saying? I haven't eaten, and it's so dark. It's 5.
think a challenge will be because I need something happy. Ready? Yeah. How do you feel? I feel so excited. Oh, hello there, Lana. Hello, Jimmy. Oh my god, it's the three Jameses. Say hi to the camera. Okay, you know what to do when it's like quiet on set.
I spilled coffee.
Camera, rolling. Sound.
Sound speed.
Scene 1, shot 2, take 2.
Feels like a Christmas movie. Only Tuesday morning. One grim winter morning.
Yeah, one grim winter morning. And then Moses looked to the sky and cursed the
Curse the fog, yeah. Except there's no fog to pass, it's only beautiful snow.
Look at all those.